of briefly, Madam, 2 minutes, yes.
Just go straight.
I'm going straight to the issue. Those issues that I'm saying there is emerging constitutional crisis, I was paid a lot of money by Kenyan states to be now
please keep proceed.
Point one.
Proceed.
I was talking to Aaron. Point one, Chair, is this. There is a legal order that was made in March 2012 to create the current constituencies and wards. That legal order is expiring or lapsing in March 2024. What that means is this, that no other elections can be able to take place in Kenya until you have a new legal order. We do not have IEBC. This is a process that must take 2 years, and under the constitutions, a new legal order must exist 1 year to the elections. So the point I am making is that there is no luxury of time, and we are careful. If we are not careful, in Haiti, the crisis partly is there because you did not have a presidential elections for whatever reasons. In Kenya, a legal jam may take you to this crisis.
We've had you.
I have
That's
2
a
points
good point.
to finish. I have 2 points to finish. On that issue, it's an important issue, Chair. Just 2.
But he's just made the point that the committee doesn't have the luxury of time.
Yes, but
that's why, because you understand, I want you to understand one thing. We have 7 other groups behind you who will feel so bad on us that we've kept them.
Senator
and they don't get a chance to ask.
A lot. I am sure that very few constitutional lawyers have spoken before you. Let me just make 2 points. Just 2 points.
This committee treats all Kenyans.
Can I give you 30 seconds, Kibe? 30 seconds.
The second issue.
Yes, 30 seconds, kindly.
Under the High Court judgment, it is required, and this goes to Parliament, it is required that a law be made for purposes of how we delimit locations and sub-locations. Parliament has not done this, which is necessary to facilitate constituency boundaries. Final point, therefore, is this, that when we talk about the totality, Chair Lady, of all these problems that we are talking about the economy, so many countries we keep talking about state failure. From a constitutional point of view, state failures can be triggered by economic factors and it can be triggered by political factors. These factors, the circumstances that will conspire to create them are already in existence in Kenya. They require competent leadership that is consultative of all Kenyans, that in the fullness of time, if it comes to biting the bullet and a government of national unity is necessary, we may have to go that route to prevent state failure or collapse in this good Republic of Kenya. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I think now I'll seek clarifications, okay, questions.
Just one.
Yes, Wandai.
Mr. Akili Kibe.
Yes.
Yeah, I hear you. And you make the case that as we speak, the Agikuyu people have got no political party that they could call their home. Is it that Jubilee party is the party that was recognized as the home of the Agikuyu? That is one. 2, you have claimed that the elected leadership of the Kikuyu community are not speaking for their people. Okay, and therefore there's likely to be a problem in the coming days, months, or whatever. Why, in your opinion, would elected leaders of the region not speak for their people? And especially taking into consideration the fact that the second highest elected of person in the ruling Kenya Kwanza government comes from the Gikuyu community.
Just okay, Senator Aaron.
You can go first.
Yeah, I just want to say this, and here I won't talk about Kikuyus, I'll talk about Gema. Is very well represented in the UDA party. They left en masse from a political party that was supposed to be their home and chose rightfully so, to go to a party that they felt gave them a chance